Right, so what we have here is a compound shape made up of a square and a triangle, and I'm told that the area of the square is 64 centimeters squared and the area of the triangle is 30 centimeters squared. I'm going to start by looking at the square, and since I'm told the area is 64 centimeters squared and we know that each side length is the same, I can say that the base times the height must equal 64. In other words, x times x must equal 64, or x squared must equal 64. And I can solve this little equation by square rooting both sides. If I square root the left hand side I get x, and square root the 64 I get 8. So I now know that the side length of the square is 8 centimeters. I'm going to put that into my diagram to remind me. 8 centimeters here at the top, and obviously those other two sides which I've marked x. And most crucially is that 8 centimeters near the triangle. If I now redraw that triangle slightly larger, I now have my unknown side which I've called A. I have this side here which is 8 centimeters, and I already know once again that the area of this triangle is 30 centimeters squared. Using that information, I know the area of a triangle can be found out by doing area equals base times height divided by 2. Putting in everything I know from the question here, I know the area is 30, the base is 8, the height is A, which I'm trying to find out. Divide that by 2. I have a formula here to solve. First thing to do is to times both sides by 2, giving me 60 equals 8 times A. And finally, to find out A, I do 60 divided by 8. My calculator here gives me 7.5. So the missing length A is 7.5 centimeters.